buddy. What's up? Alright, so quick update on the doghouse. So this is January 2021. We had some snow here and the house is still working perfectly. A quick addition that I did recently, and I put the speakerphone wireless on each side, so during the summertime I plug it with my phone and I get some music here for us, for the dog. Other than that, everything is the same. Let's go inside as well. Let's go back inside. Alright, so I'm inside. Hey, buddy! Showing the house with the dog. Okay, so again, once again, the view is like that. Gives a nice 180-degree view. It's cool. It's cold outside and there's no heat right now. Nothing is on. And it's almost 50 degrees. Very comfortable. There's no wind. Camera, I still see him on the camera every day if I need it. Huh? Fan is on. No, it's not on, but it can be on. Fan is right here. That's it. And the bed is a mess. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go out. This was a quick update on a couple of winter that we had. Everything is the same. The house has not moved. Just a little bit dirty, but everything is good. The stairs never moved. So it's all good. The dog loves it. He's usually there when it rains. Otherwise he loves being outside. Come at me. And again, if you want to see how I built it, you can click on the link above. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.